Public schools and sustainable resource management.
Good day, everyone. We're the first year education students and future educators.
The presentation focuses on how public schools balance stability and resource use and sustainability in managing electricity, water, and materials. In public schools, stability refers to traditional use materials such as fixed budget, regular electricity and water use, and dependence on printed materials. These practices ensures the school's operation to have a short-term cost. In sustainability, public schools use and promotes resource that regulates the environment of the school itself, such as some of the things that are being navigated, such as the water conservation, energy efficiency, and alternative digitals. And with these kind of practices, it helps the environment to have protection, and most importantly is to have a long-term shortage of electricity.
A major challenge in public school is the overuse of the resources to maintain operational stability. Focusing only on stability may lead to higher costs, environmental damage, and limited funds for future educational needs.
Stability provides a short-term benefits such as predictable expenses and uninterrupted school operations. However, sustainable resource management offers long-term benefits, including reduced cost, healthier learning environments, and resilient school systems, while ignoring it creates a serious risk. We recommend implementing energy-saving practices, proper waste recirculation, reduced paper use, and sustainability education for students and staff. These strategies promote sustainability while also strengthening long-term stability in public schools.
As future educators, we recommend that public school balance operations with sustainable research